The topic of misuse of power in the name of national security in Pakistan is a very complex and a sensitive issue that has been subject to debate and concern for many years. The country has a history of laws and regulations that grant extensive powers to authorities in the name of safeguarding national security, but there have been instances where these powers have been misused or abused. One of the such law in Pakistan is Pakistan Protection Act, which has been introduced in 2014 as means to combat terrorism and other security threats. The law allows for detention of suspects without the charge or trial for up to 90 days and in some cases even longer. While the intention behind this law is to enhance national security, there have been reports of this misuse by the authorities to target political opponents, human rights activists, and journalists. A well-known case is of Pervez Musharraf, the former president of Pakistan, who come into the military power in 1999. During his tenure, Musharraf invoked emergency powers, suspended the constitution, and cracked down dissenting voices in the name of the national security. His regime was also accused of human rights abuses, censorship, and suppression of political opposition. In the recent years, there have been growing concerns about the misuse of the power by the military and the intelligence agencies in Pakistan. These institutions have been known to operate with a lack of accountability and oversight, leading to allegation of extrajudicial killing, enforced disappearances, and torture of suspects in the name of the national security. The case of the missing persons in Pakistan is one of the most troubling examples of human rights abuses in the name of the national security. Human rights organizations estimates that thousands of people have gone missing in Pakistan in recent years, many of whom are believed to have picked up by the security forces for alleged ties with the terrorism or insurgencies. Family of these missing persons have been staged protests and campaigns to demand information about the whereabouts and the well-being of their loved ones, but authorities have often been unresponsive. In this response to growing concerns about the misuse of the power in the name of the national security, there have been calls for greater transparency, accountability, and oversight in Pakistan's security apparatus. Civil society organizations, human rights defenders, and the political leaders have been advocating reforms to law and regulations that grant sweeping powers to the authorities, as well as for the establishment of the independent mechanism to investigate allegations of the abuse. Overall, the issue of misuse of power in the name of the national security in Pakistan is a complex and multifaceted problem that requires to be carefully consideration and action, balancing the need of to protect the country for security threats with the imperative to uphold human rights and the rule of law is a delicate task that requires the involvement of all the stakeholders in the society. By promoting transparency, accountability, and the respect for human rights, Pakistan can work towards ensuring its security apprehension serves the interest of the people and the nation as a whole.